Learn Hindi fast. Where are you from? 2.
मैं साल का की हूँ.
For English speakers, welcome to your Hindi adventure. Hey, you are about to learn useful Hindi you can actually say out loud on day 1. And yes, we are doing it with a tiny bit of chaos and a lot of fun. Imagine you walk into an international snack festival. You are holding a samosa in one hand, a notebook in the other, and suddenly someone smiles at you. This is your moment. In Hindi, a polite way to ask, "Where are you from?" is,
आप कहाँ से हैं?
It also works for, "Where do you come from?" So you get 2 English ideas for one very useful Hindi phrase. Efficient, elegant, slightly magical. The first meeting. Let's step into a mini-scene and hear the phrases in action. You just listen, smile, and maybe pretend you are extremely charming. You meet a traveler near the mango juice stand and ask politely.
आप कहाँ से हैं?
That means, "Where are you from?" or "Where do you come from?" The traveler answers,
मैं भारत से आता हूँ.
"I come from India." Then the traveler adds,
मैं दिल्ली में रहता हूँ.
"I live in Delhi." And because this festival has absolutely no concept of personal boundaries, the traveler proudly says,
मैं 25 साल का की हूँ.
"I am 25 years old." Tiny phrase lab. Now let's break the phrases into bite-sized pieces. No grammar panic, just friendly decoding. In
आप कहाँ से हैं? आप.
means you, in a polite form.
कहाँ?
Means where.
से.
Means from, and
हैं.
means are. In
मैं से आता हूँ. मैं
is I,
से
is from, and
आता हूँ.
gives the idea of come. In
मैं में रहता हूँ. मैं
means in, and
रहता हूँ.
means live. In
मैं साल का की हूँ. साल.
means year, and the pattern expresses your age. A funny dialogue at the festival. Time for a playful dialogue. Try repeating the Hindi lines after you hear them. A. Hello, nice to meet you.
आप कहाँ से हैं?
B.
मैं लखनऊ से आता हूँ.
But emotionally, I come from the dessert table. A. Fair enough.
मैं मुंबई में रहता हूँ.
Where do you live? B.
मैं जयपुर में रहता हूँ.
Also near snacks. This is important geography. A. And how old are you? B.
मैं 30 साल का की हूँ.
Old enough to know better, young enough to buy extra jalebi. Say it about yourself. Now it is your turn. I will give you easy models you can swap with your own information. Ask someone politely.
आप कहाँ से हैं?
Answer with origin.
मैं लंदन से आता हूँ.
You can replace London with your city or country. Say where you live.
मैं दिल्ली में रहता हूँ.
Replace Delhi with your real city. Say your age.
मैं 18 साल का की हूँ.
Replace 18 with your real age. Quick memory game. Let's make your brain work a little, but in a nice way. No evil exam music, I promise. Question. How do you say, "Where are you from?" Answer.
आप कहाँ से हैं?
Question. How do you say, "I come from India"? Answer.
मैं भारत से आता हूँ.
Question. How do you say, "I live in Mumbai"? Answer.
मैं मुंबई में रहता हूँ.
Question. How do you say, "I am 12 years old"? Answer.
मैं 12 साल का की हूँ.
Your mini challenge. Ready for the final little mission? Build a self-introduction like a language superhero with excellent pronunciation and maybe dramatic eyebrows. Try saying this full introduction aloud. First ask.
आप कहाँ से हैं?
Then answer for yourself.
मैं कनाडा से आता हूँ. मैं टोरंटो में रहता हूँ. मैं 28 साल का की हूँ.
If you said all that, congratulations, you just survived and succeeded in a Hindi introduction. Friendly goodbye. You did great today, seriously. These are real beginner phrases you can use right away. Thank you for learning with me. Keep practicing.
आप कहाँ से हैं? मैं से आता हूँ. मैं में रहता हूँ.
And.
मैं साल का की हूँ.
Repeat them tomorrow, use your own city and age, and keep going. You are building real Hindi, one fun sentence at a time.